really that 14 to 22-year-old age group where we're seeing the most cases.
Today, the Knox County Health Department is reporting 160 new cases of COVID-19, many of which are among younger people in Knox County.
10 News reporter Grace King takes a look at that trend, explains it, and shows us what health leaders are doing to tackle it.
Between the University of Tennessee and Knox County schools, roughly 2,500 people are in quarantine right now.
The quarantining has just tied us in knots in a way.
While most community members have 4 to 6 close contacts, UT students have closer to 20.
We were all in school. It's a very social time in your life.
But it's not just college students driving the recent surge in cases. Knox County Health Department Director Dr. Martha Buchanan said they're keeping an eye on 14 to 22-year-olds.
She mentioned that most of the cases in Knox County schools are seen in high schools. And I just want to say that I really agree with that.
KCS Health Services Supervisor Lisa Wagner says she's not aware of any students that have been hospitalized. But Dr. Gregg, UT's Student Health Center Director, said there have been some university students in the hospital.
We're aware of 2 hospitalizations of students. We may certainly have had other students that have been hospitalized here or in other areas, maybe back at their homes, but we wouldn't be aware of that unless they choose to notify us.
Now, the Board of Health is hoping an 11 p.m. curfew on alcohol sales will make a dent on university-aged cases.
We've had no cases traced to a classroom or to an office situation.
A 25-person limit on gatherings could help too.
Knox County by far has the highest doubling time for any county in the state.
I'm Grace King reporting.
Both the gathering limit and alcohol curfew begin tomorrow. They will remain in effect until at least October 1st. UT is delaying the start of the spring semester due to the pandemic. Spring classes will now start a week later on January 20th. UT also canceled spring break to limit student travel. The university made similar changes for the fall semester. Students will have 1 day off in the spring, April 2nd for Good Friday. The semester will end April 20th. Finals will begin April 22nd. UT says it's working on plans for graduations. Decisions will be shared when they're finalized.